Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on the video. Today's video is really simple. I was at the Dollar General the other day and I hadn't been in there in a while, so I came across this. I don't know if it's new. It's new to me. I got enough items to do my traditional everyday look, which I guess would be a no makeup kind of look. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna try these products out, and I hope that you guys enjoy the video. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna put the primer on. It's a color correcting primer. It's green. Let that dry down some. And next I'm gonna put the it says it's a tinted moisturizer, and I got it in natural. It looks like that. I have a mirror right there, and that's why I keep looking into the side too. Get a little bit more on my hand. There are some items they didn't have. They do have them, but they didn't have them at my store. They're all sold out. And I think it was the translucent powder and something else, but I can't think of it right now. I'm gonna spray some of this Pixie Glow Mist on it. Alright, next I'm going to use the concealer. That's the wand. And like I said, I wasn't able to get any of the translucent powder they have, so I'm just gonna use my Fenty Beauty and butter, just so I can set my face. Alright, time to bring some color back to my face. This is a bronzer, blush, and a highlighter in one. And it looks like this. And the front of it looks like that. blush. I'm gonna go ahead and try the eyebrow pencil. And it's got a spoolie on the end. Carve them out with this, and I will be right back. Okay, that's as good as they're gonna get right now. So there they are. I don't normally wear eyeshadow, stuff like that. I just really don't have time for it in the morning. Typically what I would normally do is use my bronzer or something like that, just to kind of give them a bit of color. Sometimes I'll use my blush. I'll keep it just kind of darken it up the corner right there. Just like that, and then just do a little windshield wiper motion. And that's about it. Do like a purple liner in my lower lash line. Glides on very nice. And then I'm gonna take a tiny little brush if I can find one. And kind of just smoke it out. And then next, okay. So I'll apply these off camera and then I'll be back. I'm back. I have them on. Next I'm gonna do the mascara. It looks like this. If you guys like this video and you want me to do a more in-depth review of this product, then just give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I will be happy to go out and look for, because there's a couple of stores I can go to and purchase all the items. They have enough to do a full face. What the one looks like. Alright, and next I have this lip liner. And I think I'm just going to put some lip gloss on. This is the City Lips. It is one of my absolute favorite. That's the final look. Tell me your thoughts down below. Make sure that you subscribe, turn your notifications on. My cats are distracting me and running around. If you haven't watched my last video, it'll be up before this video. Please go over there and watch it. I'm having a giveaway. So if you want to find out the details on that video, then go on over and watch it. I love you guys oh so very, very much. I really appreciate you being here. I really appreciate all the support, all the comments, all the likes, all my new subscribers. And I will see you guys in my next video.